Nakatutoy yung bigla ko nakaparang ko rin. Joel, magpapicture ka ba ya? Hi guys, nagkakaroon tayo ngayon ng League Coronation at gaganapin ito.
Maano din, yung mata ko.
Before we start this program, we realize that without your blessings, we would not be able to succeed with the plans we have for this activity. Bestow your grace and divine wisdom to all of us present here, so we cooperate and enjoy camaraderie and love for the greater good of our community. Bless also those who have left behind our homes. May you grant them peace and happiness as they go about their activities. Bless people around the globe that they may enjoy peace and the goodness of their love. We ask all these through your mighty name. Amen.
This year is studying the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Philippine Anthem. Sining ikaw. Miss Grand. Miss Grand Coronation.
Speaking of Fiesta Angeles, let's congratulate Grace, the Capilla Pastoral Council, the Barangay Council, and of course, the SK Council of San Vicente sa mga sunod-sunod na successful events ngayong darating na Fiesta.
Palakpakan po natin ang KPC Barangay at SK Council ng San Vicente.
Simulat sa pool pa lamang po, kaya bakit natin sa pinalakpakan? Because simulat sa pool pa lamang po ng pagsisimula ng fiesta activities ng ating barangay, napaka-supportive, napaka-hands ka na po ng KPC, ng barangay, and of course, the SC Council of our barangay. Ayan. At ang ating pong fiesta activities, of course, nagsimula noong May 25 sa pamamagitan po ng isang fun run at grand zumba. Sino po yung mga naganda ng ating fun run at grand zumba? Kaway-kaway naman po. Ayan. Kung naaalala po natin, ang ating fun run at grand zumba ay pinangunahan ng mga nagkagandahan. Wow. At nagseseksing mga tita natin from the SB Dance Fitness Group. Palapakan mo po natin.
More! Thankful din tayo dahil hindi lang ang Grand Zumba at Fun Run ang mga activities natin, no? This upcoming fiesta. Dahil nagkaroon din tayo ng one-day balcony para sa mga kabataan.
kung gusto mong sumayaw at nais mong i-share ang iyong talent sa pagsasayaw, welcome na welcome po tayo sa ating Friday night, which is kailan? Bukas ng gabi. After po ng ating awarding ceremony para sa mga participants ng Pangilinan sa Panginoon. At hindi lang yun, ladies and gentlemen, pumapit kayo sa inyong mga upuan dahil ang Barangay San Vicente ay may handang main event para po sa ating activities ngayong darating na piyada. Ano ba yun? Ito po ang ating boxing competition na gaganapin ngayong darating o nagaganapin sa mismong kapustahan.
Yes, partners.
Ito ang hindi ako manonood. Ayan. Manonood ako kung mga begging ang magsusuntukan. Pero kung mga straight na magsusuntukan, pas na nila. Susunod na. Okay?
So, of course, bukod po sa ating mga organizers, let's take this opportunity para pasalamatan din po ang mga sumusunod na sponsors.
Ayan, pinaunahan po ni
Mr. Rodrigo Palfor, Mrs. Marquez Villar, Mrs.
Oh, mga po natin. Ang mga huge sponsors.
Miguel Porfay Tokyo, Mrs. Morning Onyela, Mrs. Violeta Villosa, Tumagawan Angelo Duwat, and Mrs. Armina Duwat, and of course, Ms. Rika May Desmacola.
And the partner, we will not forget the effort, of course, the parents, the youth, na talagang may class at may quality. Kapag nyo naman po ang RH Mobile Sound System. Magkakalunan, simple-simple, RH. Yes, like, look at this declaration. Alam po natin, si Mrs. Zabuanga for this beautiful presentation. And sa lahat po ng mga tumulong at nakisaya sa mga nagdaang mga activities natin. Palakpan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Ayan. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi magiging matagumpay ang ating mga activities.
Nakatalaga. Environmental
Ngayon pa naman po, ay nais na po namin ipabati ang ating taos at buong pusong pasasalamat. And now, the most awaited po na titignan sa boses namin ni Ate Jess. Hindi na namin patatagalin pa. Ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the soul pageant activity included in our fiesta activities. Ang kaisa-isang pageant activity ngayong darating na fiesta.
Tonight, we celebrate the beauty, elegance, and identity of our 8 beautiful candidates.
Lamang po kayo ng narinig yung kandidata ang inyong laban-laban para lamang sa dalawang corona.
Sabay-sabay at sama-sama po natin po ngayon ang granding koronasyon ng 2026
Little Queen and Lady Queen, San Vicente!
Without any further ado, let's all welcome the stars of tonight's event. Simulan natin sa ating mga cute at charming candidates mula sa PDP category.
I hope our candidates are ready. Queen category. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Wow! Sino kaya ang ating third runner-up para sa ating Baby Queen category? Ito po ay walang iba kundi si Miss Sandoval M. Lorona, to be escorted by Mr. Rainiel Bion. Once again, may I ask your attention to please direct your attention to that direction. Next entrance po ng ating stage. Dahil dyan po mapumula ang ating mga kandidato. And our third
Dandan lang, dandan. Dandan lang. Dandan lang. Sa gitna, sa gitna. Sa gitna, sa gitna. Oh, turn, turn, turn. Ikot.
Once again, our third runner-up in the baby queen category, Miss Sandoval M. Loyola.
And for second runner-up, Miss Yes, for second runner-up, Miss Charmaine Juliana Perez. Second runner-up. Once again, our second runner-up, Miss Charmaine Juliana Perez. And for our first runner-up, Miss Amanda Rafael Diaz. Escorted followed by Mr. Jan Aloysius Diaz. Once again, Miss Amanda Rafael Diaz. Once again, our first runner-up, Miss Amanda Rafael Diaz.
And now for the Pedigree 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mrs. Steffi Kylie G. Estrellon. Our Pedigree 2026, Mrs. Steffi Kylie G. Estrellon.
Wala po ba mga kamay? Ating mga guests?
a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Sophie Kylie G. Sibelion, our Baby Queen 2026. And now we move on with our Lady Queen category. Our third runner-up, Miss Flynn Johnson Borduesa, to be escorted by Mr. J. Panto. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Up in the Lady Queen category, Miss Flynn Johnson Borduesa.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a lawyer, government official, or legal expert. I am simply a small content creator sharing public information based on existing laws in the Philippines. For legal advice or serious situations, it is best to consult a licensed attorney or the proper authorities. Thanks for watching.